Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Detailed Recipes channel. I'm at the Doner restaurant in the city center. You can watch the recipe for making chicken doner from start to finish. KARACA Doner restaurant in Isparta city center has been making this delicious kebab for 50 years. Preparing chicken breasts. Chicken breasts are lightly cut with a knife and prepared in the shape of a butterfly. "40 kilograms of chicken breast will be used. Chicken breasts are used with their skin. "2 kilograms of chopped animal fat. Special beef fat is used for doner. Salt and spice mixture. The important thing is the amount of salt here. 5 grams of salt for 1 kilogram of chicken, thyme, garlic powder. Chicken bouillon and plenty of ground pepper are used. 8 packs of buttermilk will be used. You can use it with diluted yogurt, but if you add yogurt, you should add 7 grams of salt instead of 5 grams since it is unsalted. After the ingredients are thoroughly mixed, they are spread completely on the chicken. After dressing the chicken, you can leave it in the container for one night, or you can put the doner kebab on an iron skewer and cover it with stretch wrap and keep it in the fridge for one night. It needs to be ready for the morning meal service. It will be placed on an iron rod and will wait one night for marination. This iron has been used since 1974. After adding a sharp stake to the end of the stick, chickens begin to be placed. Add 2 chicken breasts and 2 handfuls of chopped animal fat. These transactions are always done this way in an environment open to people. Let me tell you some information about doner. Doner was mainly made from sheep meat in the Ottoman Empire, and this was more acceptable. Nowadays, it is made not only from sheep meat but also from beef. Over time, the ability to make doner kebabs with other meats has also emerged. Evliya Shalebi, who visited Crimea in the 1660s, talks about horizontally cooked meats, such as doner, being placed on top of each other and cooked over the fire. This gives us the first clues about doner kebab. We see lamb doner kebab in a black and white photograph taken in Istanbul in 1880. When the doner kebab reaches this stage, it is smoothed by cutting it with a large knife. Don't worry about what will happen to the cut pieces, they will also be added to the kebab. The rise of chicken doner kebab continues and will continue until the tip of the iron rod. Doner kebab is considered ready, final adjustments are being made. The doner kebab is wrapped tightly with stretch wrap. After it is placed in the refrigerator, it will stay there overnight and will be ready to fry in the morning. Chicken doner kebab is ready to serve at 9 a.m. The first cut chicken pieces look very delicious. Tomato slices, finely chopped onions, tomato sauce, grated tomatoes and plenty of butter. French fries, pickled peppers. This place will be crowded soon at noon. Doner kebab is fried, cut and served. They stuff it into bread and serve it by adding other ingredients and sauce. The feature of the doner kebab here is that the bread is toasted a little in the toaster. After the mark of the hot toaster appears on the bread, it is oiled a little and served immediately when it becomes crispy. People seem happy to eat doner kebab here, optionally.
Yıllardır değişmeyen lezzet Karaca döner. Dönerin tek adresi. Bol. Belediye işleminin yan tarafında.
Doner wrap kebab can be made on lavash bread.
Çok efendim? 5 olarak değerlendiriyorum.
It is prepared with whatever you want and delivered to your home via package service. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.